Hello guys, let's see a happy number problem today. Our aim is to see if the number is happy. And the way to see is if you do the addition of the squares of each number in each digit in a number, if it comes back, if it becomes one eventually, then it's a happy number. Otherwise, it's not. Um, so we're going to use a fast and slow pointer method. So yeah, let's get to it. So first let's do a um, digit sum, or the sum digits, square sum digits maybe. Square sum, square sum of digits, right? We're gonna do a helper method and it'll return a int, of course. So here we're gonna receive that int, okay? And we want to see while this number is not 0, what we're going to do is we're going to extract the last bit of it, last number. We're also going to have a sum that's something we're going to return. And so we're going to say sum plus n% 10. And we're going to use math.pow n% 10 2. We're saying we're going to square the number. We're square the last number, least number. And after that, we're gonna make sure that n is reduced by 10, divided by 10. So basically, if it was 1, 2, 3, we're first gonna get 3, and we divide, and then become 12. Then again, square of 2, add it up to the sum, and then we're gonna left with 1, and then it'll be 0 eventually. So in the end, we're gonna return the sum. And the problem with not unhappy numbers is that they don't become 1 eventually. There's some, if you have read about this problem, you'll see that there's some eventually repeats. So if there is a number like, let's try 1, 2, maybe it is 1 plus 4, and then is 5, and 5 is 25. 25 is 4 plus 25, which is 29, which is what? 4 plus 81. You can see it can go forever, and somewhere you're gonna find a cycle. All right, so we were at 5, and then 5 becomes 25, 25 becomes 4 and 25, and that's 29. 29 becomes 4 and 81, which becomes 85. 85 is 64 plus 25, which is 89. 89 is 64 plus 81, which is 5, and then 145, and then eventually it is 1 plus 16 plus 25 becomes 17 plus 25, 17 plus 20, 37 plus 5, 42, which is 16 plus 4, 20, which is 4. Did we get back to the same problem again yet? No. 4 is 16, which is 1 plus 36. 37, which is what? 9 plus 49, right? And then that's 58. 58, that's 25 plus 64. Oh man, are we gonna find it or not? it's going to be 89, right? 89, which is 164 plus 81. Hey, we got back the same number again. Finally, yes. 25 plus 64 is 89, and we got that 89 again. So that's what I mean by a unhappy number, which does not go to become 1, but instead it cycles and uh, it solves the same problem again and again. So yep, so now we saw that it's an unhappy number, how it looks. What we're going to do is we're going to have two pointers. So this is like a linked list. Think of this as a linked list, and there is a cycle in this linked list. And now we're going to use our two-pointer technique. So there will be a slow and there will be a fast. Okay, now, we're going to do something. Let's see what we're going to do first. Slow is equal to square sum of digits method. We're going to call that. Initially, the slow is n and the fast is n as well. And we're gonna call fast as well. And we're gonna call fast twice because our fast moves twice. And we're gonna continue this until while slow not equal to fast. Okay, we're gonna continue that, and in the end we're gonna return if slow is equal to 1. Okay, that's going to be what we're going to do. So initially they both are equal, so we're gonna have to let them come in, right? So here's what we're gonna do and while over here, because we want to have that first loop go. I mean, we need them to be entering this block, right? So we don't want that initial not, I mean, we don't, yeah, you understand, right? So yep, so here initially the slow and fast will be pointing to the same number, and then we calculate the slow and then fast, and then eventually this cycle would come up, right? And then they will be same, so 89 and 89 in our example. And then in that case, if it's an unhappy number, it's going to be false. In case of happy number, it'll be 1. So let's see if there are any compile errors. Cannot find the symbol. Square sum of digits. Oh, that's why you don't copy paste. Square. Do I have right spelling now? Ooh, I got the wrong answer. I know. The mistake of copy pasting stuff. So instead of passing n, I should have passed low here. And here I should have passed fast. And here I should have passed fast. Okay. Should work now. Yay. Thank you guys.